In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form A-Front on TurboTax. If you need to report investment sales and you're trying to find the right place inside TurboTax, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can get to the section where your investment information is entered and matched to the correct account. To get started, open your TurboTax return and go to the main navigation area. From there, click on Federal. This section is where TurboTax organizes the parts of your tax return related to income, deductions, credits, and other federal tax details. Since Form 8949 is used for reporting sales of capital assets like stocks and other investments, that information will be entered from within the federal income area. After you are in the federal section, move your cursor over income. Depending on the version of TurboTax you're using, this may appear as a menu or category tab. The goal here is to open the income-related options so you can locate the specific investment section. Take your time and make sure you're selecting the income area rather than deductions or other tax categories. Next, click on Investments and Savings. This is the section where TurboTax handles items like brokerage sales, interest, dividends, and other financial activity tied to investments. Since Form 8949 is connected to reporting sales and dispositions of capital assets, this is the correct place to continue. Once TurboTax asks whether you had investment-related activity, click Yes. This confirms that you need to enter investment information into your return. If you skip this part or choose the wrong option, TurboTax may not open the workflow needed for Form 8949 related entries, so make sure you select Yes to proceed. After that, find your account from the list shown on screen. This is the account associated with the investment sales you need to report. In many cases, TurboTax may display imported brokerage accounts or give you a place to continue with an account already connected to your return. Carefully choose the correct account so the transaction details are tied to the right source. As a quick tip, before selecting the account, it helps to have your brokerage tax documents nearby so you can confirm you're working with the right one. That can make the rest of the entry process much smoother and help avoid mistakes later in your return. And that's how to navigate to the Form 8949 entry area in TurboTax. Once you're in the correct account, you'll be ready to continue entering or reviewing your investment sale information.